the Ramen Raider, and welcome to another edition of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is the professional mukbang show where I eat things and you just kind of sit there and watch me and go, whoa dude, was that really that spicy? I bet it was. That's spicy. Today we got one that I got yesterday at a place in, you could call it South Shoreline, you could call it North Seattle, but it's on 130th and Aurora. It is from Asian Family Market. And this is Linju Yatu, I think, salted egg yolk flavor. But what's interesting, it says 2x spicy on it, and I don't understand. It's not bulldog, but maybe it's gonna be really, really spicy. I put that together right here. So I threw some chashu on it, an egg, spring onion, a little bit of what do you call it? Sesame seed. You know, so you'll get to watch me eat that. And by the way, look, it's a child.
My name is Mimi.
That's Mimi. Say hi to the nice people, Mimi.
Hi, nice people.
What do you have there?
A unicorn.
In a bag, ladies and gentlemen, in a bag.
And it also opens up and it has wings.
And you can remove the unicorn from the satchel?
Yeah, and it also has this, a keychain of it.
Whoa, whoa.
It's not in a
Hey, Miles, you want to say hi to the nice people?
Hi, nice people.
Why don't you show them your new calculator? Yeah, fancy flip and open calculator. It's pretty rad.
Flip, 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 flip. Go open, flip, flip, flip.
Yeah, it operates in the open and closed position. Very cool.
Yes.
Alright, well I need your guys' help because I am going to need a ready, set, go in order to do this special mukbang, and then I'm going to need you guys to run away quickly. So let me get some noodles here. Alright.
Ready, set, go!
I'm waiting for the spicy.
Oh, why are you waiting for the spicy?
Well, that's the whole point. It's supposed to be a spicy noodle mukbang, but as you can see, I'm not like eating all this stuff. It's not eating into the heat level. I put the entire spicy sachet in here. It's good. It's really good. I really like this. However, it's not spicy. It's just like 2 times not spicy. Yeah, it's really tasty, but I gotta tell you, it is not spicy. This is nowhere near spicy. Done. Children,
What?
how'd I do? Did I eat it all?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you give your approval?
Yeah.
Approve? You know? Well,
Get my unicorn.
that was definitely false advertising, folks. 2x spicy? I don't think so. No. And I've had some seriously spicy Chinese varieties before.
Get my unicorn on this purse.
It's about as spicy as a pink unicorn.
Pinky. Why did you say unicorn?
Because Mimi said unicorn.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cute.
All right. Well, to all the nice people out there, Happy Lunar New Year.
Happy New Year.
And this has been Ons, and this has been
Fire.
And this has been
Mimi and unicorn.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.